While your F-150 can tow and haul with the best of them, it really doesn't have a great way to keep all the gear you need in your cab organized and from running around under your feet. The Duha storage unit is one of the best and least expensive ways on the market to keep your stuff secure and from under your truck's pedals, while still providing easy access to just about anything that can't go in your truck's bed. Lift up the bottom of both rear seats so that we have access to install the Duha container. The jack stand must be removed, so undo the Velcro straps, then unscrew the set screw to pull the jack stand out of the bracket. The bracket itself also needs to be removed, so loosen all 3 bolts and take it out. The Duha storage is ready to be inserted under the seats, so slide it up into place. On the sides, it will set underneath the corner seat brackets, and the one mounting hole should line up with the bracket mounting hole in the floor of the truck. So place the new screw into the truck and tighten it down. Then on the passenger side, thread in the strap through the Duha storage and around the truck's bracket to keep the container in place. This completes the install of the Duha storage unit. The link to find this product can be found in the description box below. Head to our website to check out all the aftermarket options available for your F-150. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on our latest vehicle builds.